Did you note that having dinner after 9 p.m. not only increases your belly fat but also increases the risk of fatal diseases like obesity, diabetes, acidity, and even heart diseases? So tell me honestly, how do you feel after having a late night meal? Heavy, sleepy, or regretful? Today, I'll tell you uh, why switching to early dinner can transform your health, sleep, and energy levels. And plus, I'll reveal what are the deadly diseases you can avoid by making this one simple lifestyle change. Let's dive in. Hello, friends. I'm Manoj Kumar Gopal. I'm your friendly neighborhood defeat and wellness architect. Thanks for all the love and support you have been showing for this channel. Today, we are talking about one of the easiest and yet more powerful health hack, eating dinner early. Most of us have developed the habit of eating late. Why? Work stress, late office hours, Netflix binge, or the legendary Doston ke saath late night snacks. Sounds familiar, right? Eating late can lead to the poor digestion, the heavy feeling you have before going to bed, acid reflux, and heartburns, especially after eating a spicy food. Disturbed sleep and morning grogginess, weight gain and increase in belly fat, and a higher risk of lifestyle diseases. And if you continue to eat late night dinner for years, that can lead to number of lifestyle diseases I have listed here. Scary, right? You can avoid all these issues by simply eating early. Here is why eating early is a game changer. First, prevents lifestyle diseases. Early dinner regulates the blood sugar, reduces the cholesterol, and also lowers the inflammation in the body. Second, better digestion. Your body processes the food better when you eat your dinner 3 hours before going to bed. Third is improved sleep quality. No more tossing and turning around with heavy stomach. Fourth is aids in weight loss. Your body burns more fat overnight instead of storing it. Boost, the final one is boost your energy. You wake up active and fresh in the morning instead of feeling sluggish. Who wouldn't want this? Here's my personal story. I used to eat late, even late as 11 p.m. And guess what? I used to always feel tired, struggle with digestion, and even gain belly fat. Then once I decided no more late night meals and I switched to eating my dinner before 6:30 p.m. Within few weeks, the game changed. I lost weight, my acidity disappeared, and my energy levels have shot. Even my sleep quality improved. And guess what? Science also back this up too. Studies show eating early dinner not only helps in the weight loss, but also improves your overall health. I'm not saying to change overnight, but try it for a week and tell me if you feel any difference. Lot of our Indian celebrities are already following this to stay healthy and fit. Here is one of the videos from Akshay Kumar. Let's hear what he says about the benefits of early dinner.
It is important, trust me, say after 6:37 सूरज ढलने से पहले जो आपको खाना है खा लो, उससे पहले मत खाओ, उसके बाद मत खाओ, because it is important that along with your body, every part of your body is resting. But when people eat after 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock when they eat, your stomach takes about 4 to 5 hours to digest your food. So that means when you're sleeping, the whole part of body is sleeping, but except your stomach, it is still working. And when you get up in the morning, again you have your breakfast, and then again poor guy has to work. And कहते हैं कि इंसान की जो health होती है, it is related to its stomach. उसके पेट से related रहती है. The stomach has to rest. So I would just request you guys and to tell the youth, I'm sure they are very smart enough, they understand more than even we can imagine, I can imagine. Guys, try and don't eat after 6:37. Your health will be beautiful, wonderful, and you will live a very good and healthy life.
So let's recap. Switching to early dinner can lead to improved digestion, boost in sleep quality, it helps in the weight loss, and also reduces the risk of fatal diseases like obesity, diabetes, and even heart diseases. And the best part is it's one of the simplest change you can make to your healthier life. Now tell me what time you have your dinner. Are you a team of late night biryani or early dinner champions? Comment below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and help me in this journey. Also, check out these videos where I talk about it's related to weight loss and protein. Until I see you in the next video, be happy, stay fit, eat smart, and sleep like a baby. Let's thrive abundantly.